Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I went like a little neutral just because I tried a red one and I'll leave the clip in there and I just didn't like how it looked. I feel like this is a lot for a red lip, so I just went with like a, what color is this? It's like a orange, and then I topped it off with like a Smashbox topper. But yeah, you can go ahead and switch out the lip look however you want. I'm talking a little bit low because I'm not sleeping, but I did want to go ahead and film this makeup look for you. So I really hope you guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, to 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. So I went ahead and already did one eye off camera. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do it on the other eye. I went ahead and took this MORPHE Boss Mood palette and took this first brown shade and started to kind of outline the crease with this shade. I went ahead and took this shade twice, kind of just doubling it, making the color more intense. Then I went ahead and took like a pencil brush and took this darker brown and I deepened the crease a little more. I went ahead and shaped it more with this color and the pencil brush. And I went back and forth after the pencil brush and the other brush I was using for the first color and blending it with no extra product, just blending out the harsh lines, making sure it looks well put together. Then I went ahead and took an angled brush and this black shade and deepened up the crease a little more, making that outline more visible and intense. This is really going to create that blend between like a dark shade out into the brown. And I go back and forth with the first brush that I had, and I'm as well blending it just more, making sure there are no rough edges. And I went and took this brush. This literally has nothing on it. I just went ahead and kind of just blended up the top because it was looking a little messy. And then I took some concealer and I'm going to cut the crease. This definitely takes practice. I barely started doing cut creases and it's really freaking hard, but I love the look, I love the outcome, so that is what you see me doing here. Then I'm going to take this gel liner. I didn't even set the concealer, I left it how it is. Then I'm just going to take this gel liner and wing it out, girl. I use gel liner. I usually use liquid liner, but I feel like for glitter, gel liner is just better. Then I went ahead and took a silver glitter and applied it in the blank space left. You can see that there's like a little glitter fallout, so I went ahead and just reapplied some black gel liner to cover that up and make it look a little more clean. Coat the lashes before with some mascara. Added these bomb lashes, and then I went ahead and did my face matte Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, I believe in 120. And then finally I'm trying out the Tarte Shape concealer. Fell in love with it. Kind of a bad thing because now I'm just gonna have to get that concealer. But it blends out amazing. It's really good coverage. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to set that under my eyes and my T-zone, the nose, the chin, a little bit in between my eyebrows and the forehead. Then I took the first shade that we used in our crease and I'm just applying that on my lower lash line just to kind of have it come together with my upper lid. Then I took a little bit of the dark brown. I didn't use the black, I used the dark brown, and I'm just focusing that in the outer corners and blending it in a little bit. Then I'm taking this Too Faced Natural Face palette and I'm taking the bronzer and I'm bringing some color back into my face. And I recently got this ColourPop highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. It is amazing. You need it in your life. It's subtle, but it's definitely, you can see it. It's my new favorite highlight at the moment. So I went ahead and applied that. I didn't show it, but I believe I did spray my brush with rose water just so it wouldn't go on so powdery. Either way, I'm gonna spray my face at the end. But yeah, then I'm gonna take my Laura Geller Baked Blush in Tropical Hues. This is my favorite blush at the moment. Ever since I got it in my BoxyCharm, I have not stopped using it, as you can tell. So that I'm going to apply after the highlight just to kind of blend everything together. I'm fixing the lash band a little bit. I'm applying some more gel liner just to cover it up. And I feel like that pretty much ends the eye look. I'm just going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. And my lips, I believe, I didn't do the red because it was a little too much for what was going on my eyes, and I wanted to keep the focus on my eyes. So I took this LA Girl lipstick. Oh, we can't forget about the inner corner. I applied some of the highlight onto my inner corner. That looks bomb. But yeah, back to the lips. It's like an orange. It's called Fleur. I just kind of put a little bit on, and then did this topper from Smashbox. I'm gonna leave all the product names down below in the description box, but this brings the look to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super easy, super simple. It looks complicated, but it's not. You definitely can do it, girl. If you guys do recreate this look, tag me. I would like to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.